Hello everyone, this is Raksha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I am in a sixth semester. Today, we will know about the cloud computing. Today, we will know about the cloud computing. Firstly, we will come across the introduction, then what is cloud, then cloud computing, then advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing, then the service models. Introduction. The cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as server, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, intelligence, and more over the cloud. The cloud computing provide an alternative to an on-premises data center. With an on-premises data center, we have to manage everything, such as purchasing and installing hardware, virtualization, installing the operating system, and any other required applications, setting up the network, configuring the firewall, and setting up storage for the data. After doing all the setup, we become responsible for maintaining it through its entire life cycle. Cloud computing is a technological advancement that focuses on the way we design computing system. It is based on the concept of dynamic provisioning, which is applied not only to the services but also to the computer capability, storage, networking, and information. Now we will know about cloud. The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that the cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over network, that is on a public network, or on a private network, that is WAN, LAN, or VPN. Applications such as email, conferencing, customer relationship management all run in the cloud. Hello everyone, this is Raksha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I am in a sixth semester. Today, we will know about the cloud computing. A cloud computer has came into picture in the early 2000s. But the concept of computing as a service has been around for much longer, as far back as 1960s, when the computer bureaus would allow companies to rent time as a mainframe rather than have to buy one themselves. These time sharing services were largely overtaken by the rise of PC, which made owning a computer much more affordable. And then it turns by the rise of corporate data center where the companies would store vast amount of data. Rather than owning their own computing infrastructure or a data center, companies can rent access to anything from application to storage from a cloud service provider. One benefit of using cloud computing server is that firms can avoid the upfront cost and complexity of owning and maintaining their own IT infrastructure and instead simply pay for what they use when they use it. The providers of cloud computing services can benefit from significant economic of a scale by delivering the same services to a wide range of customers. Now we will come to know about the advantages. Backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in the cloud, it is easier to get backup and restore the data using the cloud. Next one is improved collaboration. Cloud Cloud application improves collaboration by allowing group of people to quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. Mobility. Cloud computing allow us to easy access all cloud data via mobiles. and even excellence accessibility. Cloud allow us to quickly and easily access store information anywhere, anytime in the whole world. Using an internet connection, an internet cloud infrastructure increase organization, productivity and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. Cloud computing is a low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance cost for organizations. Now we will come to know about the disadvantages. Internet connectivity. As you know, in cloud computing, every data such as image, audio, video, etc. is stored on the cloud, and we access this data through the cloud by using the internet connectivity. If you do not have a good internet connectivity, you can't access this data. However, we have no other way to access data from the cloud. And the main disadvantage of the cloud computing is security. Although the cloud server provide a implement and a best security standard to store important information, but before adopting the cloud technology, you should be aware that you will be sending all your organization sensitivity information to a third party, that is a cloud computing service provider. While sending the data on the cloud, there may be a chance that your organization information is hacked by the hacker. Now we will know about the cloud service models. There are three types of cloud service models. There are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, is also known as hardware as a service. It is computing infrastructure managed over the internet. The main advantage of using IaaS is that it helps user to avoid the cost and complexity of purchasing and managing the physical servers. Examples of infrastructure as a service are AWS, that is commonly known as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean. Now comes the platform as a service. It is also known as PaaS. Cloud computing platform is created for the programmer to develop, test, run, and manage the application. AWS Elastic Beans example for platform as a service are AWS Elastic Beanstalks, Windows Azure, Google App Engine, Magneto Commerce Cloud, and so on. Now comes the software as a services. It is also known as SaaS, is also known as on-demand software. It is a software in which the applications are hosted by a cloud service provider. Example, BigCommerce, Google Apps, Salesforce, and so on. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.